Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the conduct of an advocate. This is the most important in a law or in a profession for an advocate to know about the conduct, how to perform his duties in as per the law. Here is the introduction to it. It's a duty of a lawyer to maintain a respectful attitude and dignity towards the court and not to impact on decisions of a court by any unlawful or inappropriate means, or use his best efforts to avoid his client from doing any unfair practice as per the law, and to maintain the privacy of the client, etc. But many lawyers fails to perform their duty and deals with the professional misconduct. Lawyers use unfair methods to win a case of a client, and the lawyers are not able to maintain the privacy of their client, and sometimes they charge unfair fees. And lawyers do not even wear proper uniform, and this is all come under Chapter 5 of an Advocate Act 1961 deals with the conduct of an advocate. It describes provisions relating to the punishment of the professional and the other misconduct by an advocate. Let us know about it. How advocate does misconduct related to law or in the court. That is, firstly, dereliction of the duty. It means handing over a brief to another advocate, and such transfer is considered as unprofessional. But if he does so with the consent of his client, then it is not improper. But whereas the professional negligence is concerned, an advocate is expected to exercise reasonable skill and prudence and should not be negligent. In order to constitute the misconduct, the negligence must be accompanied by suppression of truth or deliberate It is the thirdly, misconduct is the misappropriation. When an advocate collects money from his client for the court purposes and misuses it, is called as misappropriation, which amount to professional misconduct. Contempt of court and improper behavior before the magistrate. An advocate must respect the court and maintain the dignity of the court, and making of a false allegation against the judicial officer amounts to gross misconduct. Contempt of court concerns the fair administration of justice with the intent to punish the acts of hurting the dignity and the authority of the court. Contempt of lawyers on account of the nature of the duties to be discharged by the lawyer and the judges. They may get into heated dialogue which may result to the contempt of court. There are several examples, that means, for the misconduct which have been taken into the contempt of court. Example, using insulting language against a judge, suppressing the facts to obtain favorable order, hurling shoe at the judge, and imputation of partially and unfairness against the judge, and etc. And the counsel who advises his client to disobey the order of the court is also held liable for the contempt of court. And there is another violence, or you can say the misconduct related to the advocate, that is the giving improper advice. Advocacy being a noble profession, an advocate must give his client the benefit of his learning, talent, and judgment. An advocate must give it proper advice. Thus, it becomes the duty of an advocate, if the client is unable to take up the brief, and he should advise the client to consult another counsel, but should not give improper advice to the client. And this is related to the professional behavior in favor of the client, and improper advice amounts to misconduct. And another misconduct is related to furnishing false information. Furnishing false information amounts to professional misconduct. Guys, this was all about the misconduct of an advocate in a court. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Lexis.